Want to see something gorgeous? Later this year, all of your screens are getting glassier with this liquid, fluid vibe. Clearer, clearer, 3D-ish. It kind of feels more like you, but it's not just beauty. Group decisions are getting way easier in messages. You'll be able to take polls in your group chats. No friendship breakups over here because splitting group checks will be less messy with Apple Cash. And those combos will have more personality with these pretty custom backgrounds. Unknown texts and calls, get screened and stashed in a junk drawer. Ever wish someone would sit on hold for you? iPhone will. Just press this button, go do your thing, and you'll get a notification when it's time to pick up. FaceTime gets a new look with faces. Find your way in photos with a super simple nav. Attention creators, no more awkward shots. Start and stop recording your videos with your AirPods. Just press and hold. Apple Intelligence is getting some cool updates. It'll translate your texts and calls as they happen.
Assez de vanille et de l'eau de fleur d'oranger à la pâte, c'est ça mon secret.
Turn all those screenshots into events that you actually show up to. And now there's like a mini workout buddy in your watch.
You're crushing it, closing that move ring for 6 straight days.
There's a new Games app where all your games and your friends will be in one place. Oh, on Mac and iPad, your desktop can be as cute as you. Check out all these folder colors and icons. Speaking of, iPad's next level. You can multitask with a ton of windows open. And hey, there's a menu bar now. CarPlay is even more iPhone-y. You can react to messages and, in your case, leave for the airport on time with live updates. Wait, what time is it? It's time to redecorate. A little clock update for the wall, maybe a little portal to the beach. Okay, gotta go. Bye.